Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is I.Palindrome. So here's you already know the which is palindrome called. So here they call if you take a string, if give a string as determine whereas is palindrome or not. So if here you take a string from user and if it's palindrome, you should be the output should be yes, and if it's not, then output should be not. So here's example abba, which is palindrome. If we start from the last and we see the pronunciation is abba, and then output should be yes and input. Another example, which is ICPC assist, which is not palindrome, so output should be no, and last of all, which is mom, and its output should be yes. So first of all, here we also has a already has a input class, scanner class, input package and scanner class, and then we have to start. First of all, we have to take a string from the user, so we have to write string s1 is equal to sc dot next line, and then we have to take another string, which is a string s2. So here we reverse the s1 string, so we write s1 dot reverse. So here you can see that there is a problem here. So we have to write, first of all, we have to convert s1 into string buffer. So we have to write string buffer s1 string buffer, and we have to create an object which is as sb, and we write new string buffer s1, and then you can see here we have to write another method which is sb, because create we create object sb for s1. So here then we again we change the method, change the data type of s2, which is string. We write string buffer, and then we write if s1 is equal to s1 dot equals s2, then the output should be yes. So we write system dot out dot println, and then yes, and else the output should be no. So we write else system dot out dot println and no. So here first of all we run the program, we copy example and paste here. So you can see here the output is no, but we want yes. So here is a problem, so you have to make a change in your code, which I tell you. So which is the s2 should not be string buffer, it should be string. And then you can ask me, oh, what can I do for the error. So first of all we try our another example, but here it's true, because here the answer is no. But if we submit the code, we it show us wrong test 1, so we don't submit the code. So we have to, so here the to should not be string buffer, it should be string. And then you can see the error in sb dot reverse. So we have to write sb dot to string dot reverse, sb dot reverse dot to string. So then you can see here there is not no, there is not a error, the error is not here. So then we input up, but then the your answer is yes. And then again we yeah, another problem, which is another example, which is mom, and then you can see the answer is yes. And then we input here the second example, then you can see the answer, which is no. So after that we copy the uh, code, and then we go to the submit code, and we paste the code here and submit it. And then you can see the answer, see the result, say it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.